Hey, what's up guys? This is Richie, and today, since we are here in Farasan Island, we are going to make a challenge. It's not a challenge, it's a game. We're going to do an apple game. They're going to shoot it in the hole. Yeah, we have the spoon here. I'm going to place the apple here. Yeah, and the other one. So the apple are all set and the spoon are all set, and I'm the one who's going to conduct the game. So I have my friends that will play the game. So these are the holes. Yeah, this is the hole and the other hole. So we have 4 players, 2 in each group, and I hope this game would be more fun. So guys, where's the contestant? Ayan. Sino ba yung sa group A?
Siyempre yung mga magagaling.
Oh, ito, magagaling. Ito, group A yun. Group A, Ray and Brian.
Maganda.
And
Team Lovers.
group B,
Team Lovers. Jay! Referee, Justiso.
ito yung group B namin, si Nino at saka si Edwin.
Anong prize?
At saka yung group A, si Nino at
Ang matalo matakbuhin doon. Bumalik.
So ngayon yung actually ang gulo nila, no? Ganito ang instruction. So ang gagawin nila, sample ninyo.
Huwag na mag-sample.
Dadapa siya, tapos kakainin yung ano,
Alam din naman, grabe naman kainin.
sige, subo, tapos yun yung gagamitin yung pantulak sa apple. Ganun ang mangyayari. Okay. Okay, guys, dito na yung starting point.
Ito na yung starting point. Ba't mo ito?
Oo. So, dito tayo. Ito yung butas. Yes, ito yung butas. So,
Ang tagal mo.
ready? Get set! Go! Ayan na.
Team Maganda! Team Lovers! Go!
Okay, mag-cheer naman kayo!
Team Maganda! Team Lovers! Go! Team Maganda! Team Lovers! Go!
Wow, Nino, go!
Team Maganda! Team Lovers! Go! Ayan na!
Ay, bilisan nyo! Ay, bilisan nyo! Yay! Team Maganda! So, ang prize nila, is kakainin nila yung 4 na apple. Kakainin nila ito. So guys, I hope you enjoy sa aming game. Nakakatuwa talaga. And then, I hope you give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not yet subscribed on my channel, just hit the red button down below and smash it. And also guys, follow me on my social medias. And also, please watch my previous video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!